clean, semi put together, and I know where everything is. My ADHD and my constant, I'm over here and I'm over there and I want to do this and I want to do that, has kicked in for 5 months straight. So we're here. Well, this was supposed to be my office / hair room, beauty room, makeup room, get ready with me. But it has not progressed to anything outside of this. Let me show you why this is considered top notch. Excuse my voice, y'all. I'm a little bit under the weather. But look at this room. Baby, look at this room. This is days that done turned into weeks, that done turned into months of just putting it on the back burner. And the crazy part is, this is my safe space. This is the place that I love to be. This is where I make wigs. This is where I edit my videos. This is where I do my makeup. But over time, it has literally become a storage unit. A whole freaking storage room. When we go out of town and we come back and we unpack, for some reason, my stuff gets unpacked in this room. And even when I bring the salon towels and they stay in this room for weeks, like it's crazy. But I can honestly say that I am very self-aware of this rut that I'm in. And it's not just a phase. It's a rut that I'm in just in my life period. After I lost my dad last year, life grabbed me by the neck and by this loose skin that I got from the weight loss surgery and tightened it up and ain't let go. It just hasn't let go. I'm being 100% honest. Life been lifing for me so bad. And the worst part about it is I normally know what my next move is. I normally know what I want to do in life. And for the first time in my life, I have no idea what direction I want to go in. I love making wigs. I actually love making wigs more than I love actually doing hair. This place, this room, I get in this room and I just go into a zone. But I haven't been able to zone out in here. I just haven't been able to be me and be what I used to be. I just have not been able to do that. So this is my first step. I am getting down and dirty. Y'all see my ADHD, I'm all over the place, baby. I start cleaning in one spot, then I'm looking through papers, and then I'm picking up shoes and all that good stuff. But we got her done. I'm just happy I can see the damn floor at this point. But I still don't know exactly what I want to do and what my next move is. But I'm starting off with my safe space. And this is my safe space. Now that we can actually walk in here, we can actually see the carpet, we can actually see the floor. I actually want to make this space I really want to make this space something that I'm proud of, something that's pretty, something that's beautiful, and something I look forward to coming into. I feel like because I know my vision of what I want it to look like, but because I have so many other things going on and I just put it off, this place, as y'all just seen, literally looked like a depression room. And it just becomes a place that I put on the back burner, but it's really my safe space. When I make wigs, when I'm doing makeup, when I'm doing videos, this is my space and I love being in here. So I want to make it cute, make it girly, make it sexy, and make it fun so that I am prone to be more caring about it. So drop some comments and let me know what you guys think that I should add. I love black. Black is actually my favorite color. I love pink too, but I'm trying to kind of get away from the pink. And I'm not sure what I want to do with the walls, but my walls are so bare. And I just need to add something. I know I need some plants going on in here. I'm not sure about a rug. I had a rug in here before. I get dye on the floor. I got to get that cleaned up. I won't be coloring in here anymore. So y'all let me know what y'all think I should do to it, and we're going to get to it.